YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks and doing the last part in this three-part series about joining the edge of long boards. This one is going to be the roughest of the bunch. First did a router setup that I was kind of doing with a guide. The last one was on my actual joiner, and the next one, I went crazy the other night. That was all the joiner, some of that too. The last one is going to be setting up a line and using your choice of a circular saw. Let's get into it. All right, so first let's take a look at the circular saw I'm going to be using here. This is an actual Ridgid worm gear drive circular saw, R32102. These are a little bit older. Now they have, I think it's called through cool, or a lot more different setups. But this thing is a beast. Shout out to Geauga Pond. This is another pickup I got there. Love this thing when I get to use it. It's kind of a brute, so I don't get to use it a whole ton. So I saved some of the goofball boards that I got here where they have two live edges. I don't feel like doing one of the other setups. This is going to be for tongue and groove. There's going to be a little wiggle room here. Ones where they got real chopped up edges. My easiest thing for me to do is I'm going to take my string line, snap a line through, and ever so carefully cut it down. Let's get into it. All right, so this literally, like I said, very rough, but simple, cut and dry. I'm going to pick a line about right here. I want to make sure I get all this bark off. All right, there we go. Let's go check it to the wall. That I've been using as my reference on all these other ones. Like I said, this is the roughest one, the roughest version, but all good. All right, YouTube, obviously, like I said, that is the roughest kind of last resort version for kind of jointing the edge of a board. Maybe from there, vice it up and actually take a plane, or, and actually really fine tune it if you're trying to do obviously something else. But for what I'm doing for, there's a little bit of room for error. So once again, YouTube, it's been awesome as always. I will talk to everyone again soon.